Betnam GR Sport, the luxury of freedom unleashed.
Sise kwi-Diski TV namhlanje, but there's some breaking news. Ekufuneka siqale ngayo before siqale show. I just saw the president of Mamelodi Sundowns on my left. After lo mdlalo, he's standing there with the former Chelsea midfielder, attacking midfielder Solomon Kalou, and they are giving him a jersey. Mamelodi Sundowns have just signed Solomon Kalou. What was it?
Yazi,
I mean, if
Mr. Show, before ngicela ukutshela uMr Nkewu noTho ngithi no. Ungathola ukuthi bakhona abazodideka babone lo Jazz 21 abamnikeza babone ngathi mhlawumbe umkhulisi
yaha. Oh, it's not a signing.
Usasekhona umkhulisi. Jazz number 21 uyegcoka umkhulisi.
Okay, Bobson, yabona ke that's why ngithanda ukusukubala phela because you're incorrect. Now I would have told abantu beDiski TV ukuthi Solomon Kalou has just signed for Sundowns. But now you have corrected it mhlobami. Inkosi kakhulu Bobson. Babukeli beDiski TV, Solomon Kalou has not signed for Mamelodi Sundowns. uBobson has just corrected that uncorrectile. Enkosi mhlobami. Bobson, mandikubulisa mhlobami, right?
Happy New Year. Asibonge Shane, kunjani mngana?
I'm good.
Before ngibulisa lo madoda mina ngibona iyoyo lapha. Lokho kubhizi umunye yehlwe yenyuko umunye yehlwe. Ngibona iyoyo nje.
Omunye udla Christmas, omunye uzodla New Year.
Hayi lento engiyibona la kule season. Ithi ngibulisa uJusto lapha. Ngibulise no Mr Nkewu. Ngibulise nje wonke umuntu lapha uTho ngiyambona no Junior Priam.
Bobson, Obit noko besincokola kakhulu about lo mdlalo, but sincokola about the lineup ye Sundowns namhlanje leading to lo mdlalo wanamhlanje. Surely, I mean, with all due respect to bona ke Obit, but any lineup ye Sundowns should be stronger than any lineup ye Obit. If first 11 abayitrust ye Obit, Sundowns the second string or even the third string team ye Sundowns should be able to collect maximum points against the Obit, and it happened namhlanje. Umdlalo namhlanje ubone njani mhlobami?
Yeah, Shane, ithi qala ngibongise le qembu leMamelodi Sundowns to collect maximum point badlala ekhaya. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi Shane iSundowns iqale kahle, and ngibongela uCoach Cardoso. I think ukurotate leya team. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi abanye abadlali sinokuzibuza ukuthi why bangalitholi ithuba lokudlala, but njengoba usho igame yeObit, it's a risk kona because of iSundowns nePirates baku race ne team efana neKaizer Chiefs uku race. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi utrusta bonke abadlali abakhona kuleya team. Labadlali abakhona kuSundowns ngiyacabanga ukuthi igame efana neObit you can play, but uma ungabheka le rotation ayenzile, if bekhona ukuluza phakathi or ukudrawa phakathi, bekumele ngaba sikhulumi kanje, bekumele ngabe siyamquestion ukuthi wayebeka abadlali babekeleni le 3 point ibalekile. Siya understand Sundowns idlala iCAF Champions League Friday, but i3 points ibalekile njengoba winile, so angiboni ukuthi baningi abangaquestiona le lineup. But if bekayiluzile right drawile le game, bekazoquestionwa ukuthi bapha abanye abadlali babeya kanjani abomshishi nabo alend ebenchini. iFootball injalo, unfortunately uma ngabe uthethe ama decision ungathola ama results azoquestiona lawo ma decision wathethe Shane.
And sorry ngokuqhawula Bobson, enye into enophinde imthethelele is the fact that kulo rotation eyenzileyo there was also a debut for the 19-year-old and also a man of the match for the 19-year-old, meaning that Cardoso knows what he's doing.
Mr Nkewu, wena Shane, I'm sorry, kunalento le ngifuna ukukutshela, sometimes umuntu uma yenze kahle kumele simnikeze icredit. Ukulanda uThatho Sibiya azomsebenzisa khona kubonile lokuthi thina singakuboni. Akekho umuntu ebeyacabanga ukuthi uThatho angayicala le match khona abadlali abafana nabo Pasading lapha ebenchini. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi uthethe izinqumo ezi right. Uboy he did very well today. Ngiyacabanga ube negame emnandi Shane, igame yakhe ibe inhle kakhulu. Yabona uthola ne man of the match. Bheka ama 1v1 awawinayo kuma duels. Ubheke another way mhlawumbe uThatho asebenza ngakhona kulela side. Ucreateile no creator uya recovery yakhe. So uyabona ukuthi i-development iyanceda kakhulu Shane. Wenza sometimes ukuthi kube nzima ukuthi uMatthews adlale. Why? Because uma ungambheka uyalisebenzisa lela side and umake sure ukuthi always uranela kulesa space. uMatthews ise ila imfoster khona lento ukuthi angene phakathi, and uMatthews akekho good uma angena phakathi. akekho good. It's either mangabe mhlawumbe team bedlala high line ufuna ukubreak mhlawumbe ngale run kube ma 1v1 but ukuthi uzongena la afuna ukuzodlala ibhola ngibona kubanzima for Matthews ukuthi mangaba afuna ukuthi asebenzise lela winger. So today it was difficult for him because uThato bekadlala kahle kakhulu kulela side.
Also an
assist, you understand? So ngiyacabanga ukuthi we must give credit kule technical team Shane the way bathethe inqumo zabo ngakhona. Siyambona uJohannes ubuyile naye unokekana lapha emuva umrena ubuyile today. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi badlale kahle Shane in the middle of the park ukhona umkhulisi today wenza lento esijwayele umkhulisi ayenza what a game for uLitlhaku Shane. uLitlhaku for mina ngiyacabanga okay lento abayibonayo ngiboni but ngibona ngathi babulala leya confidence yakaLitlhaku. Litlhaku was
balling namhlanje.
He was like bega the way avela ngakhona kuma space the way acreate ngakhona leso uma abamba ibhola Shane uyakwazi ukuthena uyakwazi ukattack space. So mina kuya ngambe ngamnikeza lawo ma minutes ukuthi athole leyo confidence umdlalo ofana noLitlhaku because ngibona ashaya lo 10 ngamnandi Shane. Uma ungambheka the way beyadlala ngakhona uLitlhaku ngabe mhlawumbe bamiyekile wachubeka wadlala. Ngiya understand mhlawumbe ufuna ukuletha abanye abadlali mhlawumbe ukuthi bathole lawo ma minutes because uprepare ama game afana neCAF Champions League but ngiyacabanga ukuthi uLitlhaku usheshe wamkhipha Shane the way bekadlala ngakhona ngingazi mhlawumbe ukuthi yini abakubonile bona. So uma ungayibheka up front umdlalo ofana noMthiba sometimes uyabuya ufuna ukuzodlala lawo ma one touch deep sometimes uya wide. Uma aya wide yes beka create lawo ma space ukuthi bakwazi ukudlala in the middle of the park but as a target man the more urunner uya wide kumele kube nabadlali abazoranela eboxini. Kumele kube nabadlali mangabe ulethe cutback bazoba khona but if urunner wide bashala ama pass uyaphuma uyawalanda then lapha eboxini kuba nobani because noma ungalethi cross lokusalayo akunamuntu eboxini. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi Sundowns nje idlale kahle umkhulisi ano Jaden bheka the way bebatholana ngakhona bano sales ubheka lama pass abashayayo lama pass Shane akhona ukuthi ba break layer defense nale midfield ngalama pass lama ding pass bawashayayo ubonile ukuthi umgayile umdlalo ofana no uAdams then washaya ibhala kuranela kulesa space for uJaden into right siyamdinga kulesa space because uma ngabe mhlamba bazohlala badlale banomkhulisi bala phakathi sometimes I creativity ngiyacabanga iba incane. So I creativity be right kakhulu first half sibonile ukuthi bebangeka abanye abadlali abafana naye uMatthews but I creativity second half Sundowns I created ama chances amaningi unfortunately abazange ba convert lawo ama chances ubheke no Leon ngiyambongela kakhulu ukuthi athole le first game. Ngiyacabanga confidence uzoyithola umdlalo ofana no Leon ukuthi ayithole Shane. So uma ngombheka naye the way adlale ngakhona kunama chances awatholile bekumele ukuthi mhlawumbe i-hat-trick uyitholile because kunenye i1v1 aphume ngayo kunenye nayo manje ugoalkeeper isavile abayikhona kick. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi iSundowns ibe nayo le creativity but abazange basebenzise lama chances laba watholile ngebuningi but 2 goals ngiyacabanga ngakhona ukuthi it's good Shane ukuthi uwin collected a maximum point udlala ekhaya njengeMamelodi Sundowns.
There's something that happened Bobzin. uMothiba started the game akhangabuya half time. There was a debut Leon. He scored. There's uShalulile, there's Ikram Reyners. That believe ukuthi mhlambi the reason why bemtsalile mhlambi uMothiba is because mhlambi he wasn't giving a technical team what they were looking for okanye mhlambi they were looking for ezinye angle to penetrate okanye to score against the Orbit. But now we have uLeon who just scored get debut yake and he impressed. Lonto ithethe ukuthini ngaye uLebo Mothiba because there's also Shalulile, there's also Ikram. Now imbekapi uMothiba
Shane ngiyacabanga ukuthi njengoba bamnikeza ama minutes angascore uLeon afika azoscore egcineni uzothi mangabe Reyners akekho uLeon uzongena. Abo coach sometimes bafuna uma ngabe bakunikeza ichance wenze lento abayifunayo as a striker Shane kumele uscore ama goal ungahluphe but mangaba awukori bazokubona njengomuntu ongasinikeza inix you understand. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi uLeon ukufika kwakhe atholele la goal Shane kumletha kuleya team eSundowns ukuthi kuleya 18 ezoba khona abe khona umdlalo ofana noLeon. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi amathuba ukuthi abecala umdlalo ofana noMthiba mhlambe kuzoya ngalama game abafuna ukwadlala ukuthi okay badlala mhlambe nama team physically a strong lapha emuva badinga abomthiba ukuthi basebenzise lawo ma aerial ball lapha bakwazi ukuthi bayosebenzisa le strength abanaso ngale physique abanayo maybe lapho coach angafesta ngabadlala ofana ngaye umthiba but ngendlela ngibona ngakhona Shane iphuze libalekile lelicede ukulisho as a striker bakufaka as a sub uthola igoal nge-first game yakho kusho okukhulu lokho Shane so Shane angeke ngihlale ngayikhulumi ngeteam efana neOrbit uma ungabheka iOrbit icalele ngokudefenda kakhulu Shane ithe uma ifika obvious you know ukuthi ama team amancane the most aba praise lama team the way badlala ngakhona uma badlala nama team amancane futhi bazama ukuthi at least bazama ukuabsorb le pressure yalama team so that bona bawabambe ngema counter but uyibamba kanjani nge-counter unomdlali istrike C1 uqalisa midfield udefender nga5 una 4 la phakathi une strike C1 uma ubamba le ball that is why ama passes ukuthi bahlanganise 5 passes beku difficult for bona abadlali bafana neOrbit because abo bathi banopotsana uma ngababhek bebaba late ukuyojoina kulesa striker sebekunzima for bona ukuthi bangatholela goal especially first half bebadlala nje kuphela ukuthi let's defend because ubona nangendlela benza ngakhona iball iSundowns yalida nga1-0 it's a foul umdlalo oBit uthatha iball uyalahla kusho wona ukuthi akanalento ukuthi asilandele ibhola silibeke sizo equalize unalento ukuthi bangasishayi amagoli amaningi you understand because uma uyodelay ngebhola why bayakuleader kusho kona ukuthi awusafuni bakuscore amagoli amaningi so ngiyacabanga ukuthi be one sided le game Shane iSundowns vele be deserve ukuwina the way idlale ngakhona iOrbit because uma ungabheka na the way bafika ngakhona kuleya half yeSundowns ababonisa babe aggressive nangu umdlalo ofana noLukhele umletha as a sub ilomdlalo engimaziyo mina lapha kuleya team o aggressive umdlali engicabanga ukuthi uma khona kulesa striking force seOrbit kuningi lokho akunikeza iOrbit but ngiyacabanga ukuthi bambeka so abafuna press because umdlalo one energy babonile ukuthi mabangamletha kuleya game uzopress iSundowns noma press iSundowns ilento abangayifuni because bazoba break abafuna umdlalo ozadlale laphi emuva so uLukhele ngiyacabanga ukuthi ungene ngesub ube ne game right ube nenhlanhla angayitholi red card leya foul ayenze lapha kumdlalo ofana noKekana ngibone nge-slow motion bakuvezele sona engele 1 the time sifuna ukubona kahle ukuthi kwenzakalani ngiyacabanga ukuthi it was a red card the way ayengakhona ngeelbow you know ukuthi uma ungaya ngeelbow especially facing nomdlali kuba i red card Shane ube nenhlanhla but ube ne game right umdlalo ofana noLukhele even though angene ngesub
Bobson ngosi kakhulu umhlobo wami for your analysis kumdlalo ke bese ubukela namhlanje weMamelodi Sundowns the defending champions ebedlala ke neOrbit eLoftus Stadium lapho ke Sundowns iqokolele ku 3 points scoring 2 goals conceding 0 Ronan Williams keeping yet another clean sheet Mamelodi Sundowns going on top of iBetway Premiership Orlando Pirates yadlala ke ngomgqibelo but ngomso there's an important game izabe senitshilo ku video yokuqala Kaizer Chiefs izabidlala ke nayo iGolden Arrows eFNB Stadium umdlalo obalulekileyo for Kaizer Chiefs izabe setshilo bobo ukuthi the Chiefs, they are also in the title race because they're just 5 points behind Ilok leaders, Mamelodi Sundowns. Kaizer Chiefs, they've only lost 1 game, Nabo, this season. Yenye team is losing a game as Zimbabwe this season, same as Mamelodi Sundowns, bayadlala ngomso neGolden Arrows. But namhlanje Loftus, it's Sundowns 2, Orbit 0. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Hola Bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.